And here she goes. Repaired by a tin of Coke. Repaired by a tin of Coke. That thin, tiny piece of aluminium was cut with a pair of scissors with a can of Coke. Shaped exactly the same as what was originally there, and with a bit of playing about, she runs. Pleased with that. Took a few times to get it going, but she runs. Needs a paint up, but she runs. You can see that vacuum sucking that flame in. Pleased with that. It wasn't a difficult repair. The only thing I'd say, I would like to see an adjuster, some sort of an adjuster on this. We've got a bit of, just to be able to adjust it forward and backwards from the cylinder entrance. Because on the red one I've got, the retro one, that's got an adjuster, and you can adjust this, and you can adjust it closer and further away. It actually adjusts the speed of the running. But this is a nicely made model. It's obviously been left to rust for a long time, but I feel like it's a kit made. I think someone has done some machining. I think they've done a very good job of the machining, but I think originally it was probably a kit. Everything needs painting up now, but yeah, she runs very nicely actually. But with the if you could adjust the distance between there and the cylinder, you would be able to vary the speed of the engine running. Yeah, she seems quite happy though. Anyway, that's it. I'll put another video on when I've painted it up, but yeah, repaired by a tin of Coke. Can of Coke. Unbelievable. Cheapest repair part I've ever bought. Alright, cheers guys. That's another one for the YouTube. Simple repair. Alright, take it apart. That was difficult. Getting that in there. Because it's such a tiny little hole. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Cheers guys.